In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this small spiral pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we just need to use an algorithm, and the algorithm is LIBI DU RUI RI D2 R2 D L DI LI RI FU. Okay, so let's do that. We go LIBI DU R UI RI D2 R2 D L DI LI RI FU, and that gives us this spiral pattern. So let's run this pattern and set it back to a completed Rubik's Cube. As always, I like to use the same algorithm if possible, and you can use the same algorithm on this one too. You set it in the top right like this and repeat the same algorithm 5 times. Yes, it is quite a lot to repeat it 5 times, and it is a long algorithm, so it will take a few minutes to repeat that long algorithm 5 times. Now there's another way we can undo this pattern, and many patterns like it using the original algorithm and only having to use it once. There are many patterns where you have to use it 2 or more times to cycle these colours, and on this pattern we've got to use it 5 times. Well, here's a way of using the original algorithm only once, and that is, well, first you have to know which colours you did the pattern on. For example, I've always had yellow as a front face on all my Rubik's Cube pattern tutorials, blue on the top and orange on the side. Now if you do the same algorithm on the other 3 colours, you will actually undo the pattern in one algorithm, because it makes the pattern in the opposite direction on the other side. And you can really tell with this spiral pattern. For example, the spiral is in this direction on this side. If I turn it over, the spiral is in the opposite direction. So using these 3 colours, the same technique, this in the top right, we can just repeat the original algorithm just once. For example, LIBI DU RUI RI D2 R2 D L DI LI RI FU. And that puts us back to a solved Rubik's Cube using the algorithm just once. And as I said, this works on many patterns where you have to cycle the colours and repeat the algorithm 2 or more times. Now I always teach you to use it 2 or more times, and if you do accidentally use the opposite colours, well, you'll only have to do it once anyway. But if you don't, if you use the original colours, then you'll have to repeat the same algorithm 2 times. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos, and also if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.